Put that pimp hand on him, man.
Pimped out. Yeah.
There we go. Yep. Oh. Yep.
Yeah. Good one.
Maybe. Maybe, baby. Oh no, it was not a. Oh yeah, there it is.
Bluefish.
Yeah, bluefish.
Good bait.
Bluefish.
First bluefish.
Little guy. Oh,
Before?
yeah, I caught the small ones. That's my first big one.
Yeah. Blow her at me sometime. Okay. Watch on them rocks right there. Woo, that's a big one, Bay Ray. This side over here. Careful, careful, dude. Got it. There's the rock, man. My big guy. Oh, it's in the rock. I'll get my. Hey, there you go. Let's go. Oh, God, it's big. That's a big one.
Cody's funny.
That's a big one. Get him in, Billy Ray. That's a monster. That's a monster. Get him in the net. Get him in the net. Yeah.
Awesome.
Hey,
I usually don't got net, man, but thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem, man. Appreciate
Hey,
what you do
what
for the
cast was that?
island, man. I follow you on Facebook.
like
so
second
much.
cast.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big trout.
Dude, that's a big trout, I told you.
There's a hefty one, boy.
Okay, well, let me go get some pictures.
Dude, here.
Oh,
Look up at me. Look up at me. There we go. That's how you do it. The Kmart special.
23 on the dot.
Where's it at?
Right here.
Yeah, 23.
23.
See?
that's a fat 23.
There we go. He hit it solid. Oh, it's gonna be a netter. It's gonna be a netter.
Gotcha.
You're right in front of me. Oh, there he goes. I feel the head shakes. Oh, yep.
Redfish?
I don't know what it is. Honestly, feels like a hybrid. Oh. Oh, the rock! Dang it, not the rock! Ah. I'm trying to keep him.